Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add Open to Work on LinkedIn. So, in order to add Open to Work on LinkedIn, you'll have to first of all navigate to any browser, go to linkedin.com and log in using user credentials. Now, after logging in, you will see this page that is LinkedIn's dashboard. Here, we are going to click on the Me icon at the top right, that is your profile icon. Choose View Profile button here and this will instantly display your profile on your screen where you will see an Open to button appearing just right here, just at the left of Add Profile section. Click on the Open to button and it will show up this menu. Here, you can choose whether you're open to finding a new job, whether you're hiring, providing services, or finding volunteer opportunities. So you'll have to just choose finding a new job. Now, choose the job title that you're open to. In my case, it's video producer. You can click on add title and search for anything else like audio specialist. You can choose the location types, location, immediacy, or flexible. You can choose the employment types, whether you want a full-time employment, part-time, contract, internship, or temporary. Now, you can choose the visibility of this Open to button, whether all LinkedIn members or only recruiters will be able to see that you are open to work. So I will choose recruiters only in my case. You can also choose all LinkedIn members and click on save. Now, click on update settings button and this will instantly show that you are open to work on your LinkedIn profile. So that is a simple way to add Open to Work on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.